tetema, oh mama tetema. Tipo tipo tetema, oh mama tetema. Aya twende tetema, oh mama tetema. Shuka chini tetema, oh mama tetema.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a tutorial on how I apply my press-on nails. Here are the products that you need. You'll need an instant cuticle remover and a cuticle pusher. Next you'll need a dehydrator. You'll need nail glue. These are the two that I like the most. The Nailing I ordered on Amazon and the Kiss Max Speed I got from the hair store. You'll also need a file to buff down your nail. And you'll need your set of nails. So these are the nails that I'm using today, the Kiss One of a Kind Luxe Mani Masterpiece collection, and they're already created. They come with glue, they come with a file, they come with a cuticle pusher. You can buy these at Walmart, Rexall, on their website, I believe. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, I've opened up the packaging and there are more nails underneath. And I'm going to start figuring out which nails fit my nail bed. I keep the little black pad there to place the nails that do fit me from pinky to thumb for my left hand and then from thumb to pinky for my right hand. I start off with my thumb always, but you don't have to go in any particular order. Alright, so as I said, I start off with my thumb and I try to figure out if the same number, because there's a number on the back of the nail, fits me on both hands. So up at the top there's a little number. If you wear glasses, it's going to be kind of hard for you to see, because it's very hard for me to see what number it is, but you're going to see if it fits your finger. You want to make sure that it fits snug on your nail bed and it's not going over onto your skin, kind of like a nail blanket. That's what I call it. If it's over your finger, it's a nail blanket, and it doesn't work like this one here. So as you can see, I'm almost done picking out my nails and getting the right sizes. I'm just finishing my right hand off. Alright, so now it's application time. I'm going to start with my instant cuticle remover and remove my cuticles. I am applying it to my cuticles and I'm just following the directions that are on the back of the container. It's pretty simple. You don't have to get this. You can do whatever you do to normally remove your cuticles. I just prefer this. It's a lot easier, and like I said, I'm doing this to save time and to save money. So as you can see, I'm pushing back my cuticles. I'm not a nail tech, so I don't know if I have the correct form. I don't care if I have the correct form. I'm just doing what works for me. You do what works for you. Alright, my hands, your hands, I don't really care. So don't be telling me nothing in the comments about, oh, that's not how you push back your cuticle. I don't care. I didn't go to school for this. I'm just doing what comes natural to me. Alright, so cuticles have been pushed back somewhat. I am now going to take my nail file and begin buffing down my nails. And I'm not saying buff them down to the friggin' bone. Just buff them down lightly to kind of take away that oil. We are going to be using the dehydrator afterwards, but this just kind of gives the glue something to stick on, something gritty to stick on to keep the longevity of your nails. Alright, nails are buffed. I'm just going to blow away the excess dust off my nails, and then I'm going to get my dehydrator and now apply that on a cotton pad and wipe each nail down. I'm only doing one hand on video just so that this video is not 20 minutes long as it took me to record. I'm just going to do this one hand so you can see I'm wiping the nail down with the cotton pad and just pulling off any excess fuzz off the tip of my nails without touching my nail bed. Okay. Alright, so it's application time. So I'm using the Kiss Max Speed glue that I said you can purchase at the hair store. I start by applying the glue on my nail bed and then I apply some on the nail. Always apply it on the nail as well, just the bottom part that's going to be closest to your cuticle, because again the glue does push up, and you want to apply it by kind of slanting the nail to an angle and pushing it into your cuticle and then pressing down to make sure all the air bubbles are out, and hold it there so you can see the glue's coming out. That means I'm getting all the air bubbles out. I'm squeezing all the air bubbles out. Sorry, I went out of frame a little bit. But yeah, so you want to squeeze all the air bubble out and then rearrange your finger and just squeeze down again. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps that I just did on my thumb for the next 4 fingers, and you're just going to see me speed through this. I'm not going to talk through this. It's the same step. Add glue to your nail bed, add glue to the nail, apply the nail on a slant, squeeze out all the air bubbles, hold, and then release. Do the same thing over and over, and I'll be back at the end of this video. And voila, here is the finished set. As you can see, both hands are done. They look so pretty. Don't forget to add cuticle oil to your nails after you've allowed them to dry for 3 hours. So don't put any oils or water on your hand until you've let the glue fully dry, and that takes about 3 hours. They don't say this on the packaging, but I've noticed that if I did put my hands under water right away, the nails wouldn't last as long, and my nails normally last 3 weeks if I do not allow my hands to go underwater right away. So I prefer to do my nails right before bed. That way it allows my nails to fully dry, and by the morning I can do whatever I need to do. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. If you can, please leave a comment, please like, please share, and let me know if you want to see more nail videos or if you want to see other talk through videos, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So I'll see you all next time.